All right, guys, so today we are going to be using two new products from Donna's recipe, and I've been so excited to try these products. And as always, you guys, I did go ahead and apply the leave-in in the shower. I just always love to do it like that, just so my hair is able to get that moisture while it's soaking wet. So that is actually already applied throughout my hair. And these products, you guys, are literally dessert for your hair. So both of these products contain sweet potatoes, which are packed with vitamin A and omega-3 fatty acids. It also has cinnamon, which is good for overall hair and scalp health. And then also it has vanilla, which softens dry, rough hair. you guys, so I'm all done twisting my hair up. One concern that I'm having is, since my hair is kind of more on the finer side, like I have a lot of hair, but it's more on the finer side. And then also it hasn't been holding a curl as much lately. So I'm just hoping my ends are gonna stay. But yeah. All right, y'all, so I got off camera to separate my twist a little bit. I'm gonna be honest, you guys, I don't know what we got going on right now. Some of the curls are really popping, One issue that I have, as you can see, is that the ends are kind of going their own way. So I did band them up with some hair bows to see if I could kind of stretch it a little bit. And then also I did use my hair pick to give myself some volume. And then I'm going to go ahead and slick down my edges as well. I'm going to do that off camera. All right, you guys. So this is the final look for my twist outs. Around with it, I used my hair pick to kind of add some volume. I did slick down my edges as well. It's not as perfect as I would like it to be, and I think one of the things was when I had it in my ponytail with my twist, like my ends kind of were going their own way. But the reason why I put it in a ponytail, because as you guys saw when I was twisting it, it was already kind of like unraveling. So that did kind of help my twist stay in, but I think it also made them go in different directions and they're not as defined. So I'll probably do some styles with this, like maybe half up, half down. But one of the things that I am happy about is the volume, because my hair has been really flat lately. So even though it's not like perfectly defined, I definitely do have some volume, and I am here for the volume. And then just to give you guys a little bit more details as far as the star of the video, which is Donna's recipe. I'm twisting you guys for about 3 days and my hair still feels really soft. So these two products, you guys, are really moisturizing because it has kept my hair moisturized these whole 3 days. As you know, we are a hair community. So you guys, drop down in the comments, give me some tips for my next twist out. Let me know what you think. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like always, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.